So how to always see old right click like that and old left click as well. For that we are using this code. I will give you in description below. Go to your search option and press on cmd command and run as administrator. And once you this kind of interface, or again cmd, and you can paste this code here and just hit enter. Then you can see the operation completed successfully. Now you have to restart your PC. Once you restart, then you can see your menu like that. I already do it, and if you go back to it again, then you need to use this code. Go to your cmd again, search panel, cmd command compact, and if you press hit enter and restart your PC, then your old a new one is again restored. So that's it, as simple as it's. So don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe, and if you face any problem, feel free to ask in comment section below. I will give you the solution. Have a good day.